Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make your video clearer on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is open the Capcut application, and after you done open the Capcut, just need to start a new project and choose which video that you want to make it clear on a Capcut. Or here I already have my project, so I just open it. Now we can see here the video is a little bit blurry, so I want to make it look clear. So how to do that? You just need to click the clip until it is in active mode, and you just need to go into the down features here, just slide into the left side until you found a adjust right here, and after that you just need to click adjust, and now you can adjusting the quality, adjusting the brightness, contrast, and many things. You can also go with the video quality, and then you just need to click a remove flickers if the video have a flickers, and you can also reduce the image noise by click this reduce image noise. And let's see, if you want to reduce the noise badly, you just need to go right into the right side, and after that just make sure that do the strong if you feel that the video is bad enough, but I would like to go with the weak since it's not that bad. And after that you just need to click it down and wait until it's 100% applied into the clip. And now the image quality is already completed, so you're already increasing the quality of the video. Let's try to find out is it work right. So your video is quite better compared to the previous one, and that's all the way how to make your video looks better or looks clear on Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. If you find out these tutorials got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.